Hello guys, so today's vlog, it's a quick vlog guys regarding the GoPro Hero 13. We will attach on the DJI RS3 Mini. So let's see if will work or yeah, let's find out again if the GoPro Hero 13 can balance in the DJI RS3 Mini. So without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please hit the subscribe button and at least you'll be updated for every videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So let's start this GoPro 13 into the DJI RS3 Mini. So I have the GoPro 13, just the GoPro 13 battery and memory card. Of course, we will test also. Then so I don't have any cage on the GoPro, so just the GoPro itself. So let's find out motor 1, motor 2, and motor 3. Let's unlock the motor 1 first, and let's see. And it's already a little balance. Yan. On this one, so this is the last. I cannot do it more further. So, yeah, this is the last. So motor B. Let's try the motor B or the motor 2, number 2. It's already balanced. And motor, the last one, let's see. Yon. Number 3, see. It's too much. Okay. Okay, done. So let's try to open. And it's balanced because you'll see here, it's green. You can see the icon is green, meaning you have a perfect balance. So let's try to calibrate. Start calibrating. Now it's calibrating. Again, DJI RS3 Mini with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. So if you want to check the price and availability of these two products, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, I think it's done. So let's, yeah, it's complete and green. Yeah. So, yan, perfect. Yan, we have a perfect balance. Let's try the 3D roll. Custom 3D roll. See? It's perfect. So, GoPro Hero 13 without any accessories like a cage, it's perfect balance with the DJI RS3 Mini. So, ayan, let's try to take some sample photo videos using this RS3 Mini and the GoPro Hero 13. Guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, we test already the GoPro Hero 13 Black with the DJI RS3 Mini. It's perfect without any extra accessories like the cage or something or extra weight for the GoPro Hero 13. It's perfect work in the DJI RS3 Mini. So, yeah guys, I think that's it for today's quick vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two products, the DJI and the GoPro Hero 13, you can visit to our website, www.abworld.com. If you want to check the GoPro Hero 13 and the DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit us here in Megastore Showroom, Salmias, Symphony, and you can test the demo unit that we have. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.